What's up guys, AndersCubes here, and today I will be doing walkthrough solves for Skewb, Pyraminx, 2x2, and 3x3. So let's get straight into it with 3x3. Here is the scramble. Alright, so with this scramble, I see pieces already connected. This is only for white cross. So I see piece connected. I see this yellow pair, but we're only doing white right now. So I see this piece and these two. So what I'm gonna start off doing is I'm gonna be in this position, green in front and yellow on top, and just insert this pair into here by doing D prime and then insert like that. And then from here I'll also insert the green and the orange in the back, and then just realign, and it makes the whole cross. From here I would see these, so I would insert pair up like that and then rotate and insert. From here I would see this piece right next to me, and then just also insert that way, probably by doing wide F prime and then L wide F, just like that. From here I would see this piece and then connect it, don't connect it, and then do this algorithm. And then before inserting like this, because it's wrong, I would just move it out of the way and put it back in, which creates another pair. And then from here I would just insert like this, and after this I would see this case. I do 2 licolo, so I would just do that and then cross. After that, I would see this PLO, and yep, that's basically it. Done. Alright, for 2x2, here is the scramble. Okay, so I am color neutral, so I will be doing any color. Alright, let me think. Alright, so I'm gonna do orange, because it looks pretty nice. So when I insert this piece into here, it's gonna move this piece on top. So after that, I'm gonna directly do a R and then a U2, so it gets right here. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do the R U2. That pairs it up, just put it in like that. After that, and I use Ortega, so after that, I'm just gonna do this case, and then from here, T-firm, pretty simple, just like that. All right, now for Skewb, here's the scramble. Remember to scramble with this piece always staying here. So here, okay, I'm also color neutral, and I use the regular method, layer by layer. So we see these. I'm gonna use orange because it has pretty good pairing. Alright, so I'm going to insert this orange piece into here by rotating this way and inserting like that. And then I'm going to take this pair all the way around so it gets here, move this piece out of the way so I can insert here, and then just reinsert it just like that. After that, I'm going to find, this is a 2 on the top, so I'm going to find where the red is, do a sledgehammer, so it creates an easier case like this. And then from here, I see a line this way on the left, so I'm going to do a hedge slammer, just like that, and then find the 2 opposites, so yellow and white are opposite on 2x3. So then we'll just do a sledgehammer here, turn it to the right, and do another sledgehammer. And that solves it. Finally, for Pyraminx, here's the scramble. Okay, for this scramble, yellow looks pretty good, so I'm going to do center here. After that, I'm going to insert the red here, because I use layer by layer. Insert another, fix tips, and then from here, I would do the alg to solve this case. So, oops, sorry, wrong alg. I will use this alg. There we go. That's more like it. To solve. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Like if you liked, and subscribe. If you'd like to see a video of a Yoo-Hoo Megaminx unboxing, it'll be right here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.